Jeez, Gravedigger is an awesome monster truck. Now, let's open up Gravedigger and play with him. Whoa, this is Gravedigger. You can tell it's Gravedigger because it's a hearse, and there's bright green bottom suspension and giant black tires, and you can't forget about the purple and green. That's Gravedigger. Rum, rum. Wow. Rum, rum. Gravedigger has a 1,500 horsepower engine. Wow. Rum, rum, rum. That's a giant engine. You need a giant engine for a giant monster truck. Look, the engine's back in there. It's not in the front like a normal vehicle. It's in the back. There's the exhaust right there, and the engine is in the back. Whoa. Jeez. Let's look at the tires spin on Gravedigger. Okay, now the front tires. Rum, 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 rum. Rum, 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 boom, rum, boom. Jeez, Gravedigger can do flips and spin around. Rum, 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 rum. Rum, rum, rum. I'm Gravedigger. Well, if you love Gravedigger, then be sure to click the big red button that says subscribe so you can see more monster truck videos. Rum, 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 rum.
Hey, I'm Gravedigger. How are you? I'm doing good because I'm a big monster truck. I love riding on hills and jumping on jumps and spinning around in the mud. Let me show you how to have some fun being a monster truck. Here we go! Hey, that's really fun jumping on those jumps and riding on the hills. I think we should ride in the street. But hey, you better ask your parents if you want to play in the street first because the street can be dangerous. Whoa, I got some big tires and some big doors and a giant engine. Watch out! Bam! I just hit you. Watch, I'll do it again. Here we go. don't forget to find that big red button and click subscribe so you can... Hey, I'm the small Gravedigger. Look at me, I'm a monster truck toy. I love being a monster truck because I love just jumping over things and playing in the dirt. Oh, look who's coming. Hey, how are you, small monster truck Gravedigger? I'm the big monster truck Gravedigger. How are you? Hey, I'm pretty good. How are you doing today? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. I just got done watching some real monster trucks playing in the dirt. I think we should watch some real monster trucks. Yeah, that sounds like so much fun. Hey, I have an idea. Let's watch the real big Gravedigger actually jumping over some cars. Yeah, let's do. Jeez, that real big Gravedigger is so amazing. Yeah, he's such a big monster truck. We're big monster trucks too. Yeah, but we're only toys. We're not as big as that guy. Yep, that's true. I love being a toy though because you just have so much fun. Yeah, I get to play with kids and the kids get to play with me. Hey, have you ever seen El Toro Loco? Nope. What's that? It's another monster truck and it's the color orange. Let's watch El Toro Loco monster truck around. Whoa! That El Toro Loco is such a cool monster truck. I really love his bright color orange.
Yeah, he's one of my best friends, Gravedigger and El Toro Loco.
That's awesome! I like how you're friends with El Toro Loco. You know who my best friend is?
Who's that?
It's Monster Mutt.
Whoa, I don't know Monster Mutt. What's Monster Mutt?
Monster Mutt is another monster truck, but it looks like a dog. Do you want to watch it?
Yeah, I definitely want to watch Monster Mutt jump over things and just have a blast being a monster truck. Monster Mutt kinda rhymes with monster truck.
Yep, you're sure right. Let's watch some Monster Mutt.
Jeez, that Monster Mutt is so cool.
Yeah, Monster Mutt is one of my really good friends.
That's really cool. You and Monster Mutt are best friends. Maybe us four, you, me, Monster Mutt, and El Toro Loco, can go to the gas station together. We can fill up our tanks and have a blast.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. And then we should go to the track and jump over some really small cars because we're monster trucks.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. But hey, before we do that, I think I want to watch some more monster trucks. Do you?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. Let's watch a bunch of monster trucks. And this time, let's just watch all kinds of monster trucks.
Yeah, every kind of monster truck. There's so many different kinds of monster trucks we can watch. Let's watch them all. Wow! I love watching monster trucks be monster trucks, just like how you and I are grave diggers. I love being a grave digger monster truck. It's so much fun. Hey, I have an idea. What's your idea? I think everyone that's watching should click that big red button that says subscribe. Why is that? So then you can see more of our videos of monster trucks playing around in the dirt. Yeah! I'm so excited to watch some more videos with you. Okay, bye! Bye-bye, kids! Hey, how are you? I'm doing good. Hey, do you know my name? Yeah, I'm Gravedigger. I'm a monster truck with a green bottom, green suspension, and giant wheels and tires. That's what makes me a monster truck. Hey, you wanna watch me monster truck around, go off jumps, ride in the dirt, and splash in the mud? I think we should. So let's go. Watch this. Oh, look at me on top of the mountain. Whee! Yeah! Whee! Yeah! Ring! Woohoo! Here we go again! Whoa! 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 Ow! 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 Whoa! Watch out! Oh no! I'm spinning! Help me! Help! Whoa! Bum, bum. Ow! Ow! Ay, ah, ah. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! 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 Woohoo! That was sure fun! Did you see me rolling around, spinning around, and going off those jumps? I kinda fell a little bit, but that's why they call me Monster Truck. Woohoo! Look at me go! Whoa, not again! Whoa! 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 Ow! Ow! Eek. Ow! Wow! Ow! 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 Whoa! Yay! Yeah! I landed on my wheels again. I'll eventually land on my wheels because they're so big and muddy. The more you flip, the more likely you're gonna land back on the wheels at some point. Whee! Here we go! Down the hill! No! Not again! Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Whoa! I'll rock! Whoa! Whoa! Down the hill I go! Spinning! Whoa! Oh, woohoo! Whee! Woohoo! Ow! 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 Whoa! Whee! Land on my wheels! Whoa! That was sure fun. Be sure to click that big red button that says subscribe if you liked watching me, Gravedigger. Whee! Look at who it is.
Yep, that's me, Big Monster Truck Boy. My tires spin because I'm a big boy.
How did you get so big?
I got really big because I ate really healthy.
What about candy? I like candy.
Nope,
You can't eat candy if you want to get big like me. You gotta eat nice and healthy, like fruits, vegetables, meats, grains, dairy, things like that. But sugar isn't very good. Okay, that sounds good. If I eat healthy, I'll get really big just like you. Yep, well, I'll show ya what you can do when you're a big boy. Big boy when you eat really healthy. Okay, I'm excited. What are you gonna do? Here I go. Whoa, look at him go. Yeah, I'm a big boy. Whoa, that's so cool. Whoa, come back here. Come back here. I have a couple more questions. What are your questions? What are your questions? So, I'll be able to do a wheelie and things like that if I eat nice and healthy? Yep, you'll be able to do even front flips and back flips and everything. Because if you eat healthy, you'll be able to do anything you want. Hop on my back. Really? I can hop on your back? Yep, come on and hop on my back. Let's go. Whee! Yeah. Oh, wow! Woo! This is so much fun.
Hey kids, Tot Toys again. In this video, we're gonna play with this monster truck. It's called the Raminator. It makes noise, it has lights, and it even spins the tire. Whoa. And pops a wheelie. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, here's this monster truck. Whoa, that makes some cool noise. Let's push this button. Whoa. It pops a wheelie. Wow, did you hear the engine rev? Wow. Whoa! This monster truck is so cool. The tires spin. It even pops a wheelie. Ring, ring, and it jumps over things. Ring. Wow, what a fun monster truck this is. The Raminator. Hey kids, if you enjoyed this video, see this color red? Find the big red button and click subscribe so you can watch some more fun, free Tot Toys videos. Until next time, bye-bye. Oh my gosh! It is the monster truck of Ramunition. This video is dedicated to Tim Carlisle. He commented on our videos saying, Rammunition, Rammunition, do you guys have Rammunition? And so look at what we did. We got Rammunition. Before we open up Rammunition, let's watch some real monster trucks jumping over cars and doing flips. Okay, here is the Rammunition monster truck by Road Rippers. Has a bunch of buttons, and then it does stuff like jumps over cars and makes noises and stuff. Let's open up Rammunition. Whoa, look at Rammunition! These giant tires. Wow, it's a black Dodge Ram all beefed up with giant tires. That's why they must call it the Rammunition, cause it's a Dodge Ram. This is a gigantic truck. Makes noises, honks the horn, the engine starts up. Look at the lights. Wow, vroom. Wow, this is such an amazing vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom! Wow, what a powerful monster truck. This monster truck of Rammunition has a 1,500 horsepower engine. What a powerful engine. Jeez, let's watch some more monster trucks jump over cars. Monster trucks are such an amazing piece of machinery. The engines inside are so big and loud. I love monster trucks. Vroom, 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 vroom. Well, if you like monster trucks, or if you want to see more monster trucks, be sure to click that big red subscribe button so you can see some more monster trucks. And be sure to request your favorite toy and we'll go out and buy it for you. Just like this one, dedicated to Tim Carlisle. Vroom, 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 vroom.